Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So I'm just gonna be doing my eyebrow routine, like how I clean them up and how I fill them in. So let's just get right into it. Also, this bonnet was sent to me. It is a bonnet, right? Like if you look at it, you're like, what is that? It's a bonnet that ties around your head so that it doesn't slip off and run away in the middle of the night. And I don't remember right now what company sent it to me, but I will put it on the screen. I just brushed through my eyebrows. And I do that so that I can clearly see what hairs I'm gonna be plucking. So I kind of just like want to move all the hair out the way. So now I'm gonna take these tweezers that I got from Marshall's, no, TJ Maxx, either one, TJ Maxx or Marshall's. I get all my little tools from there, and I'm also gonna be using this razor. And I also bought this, like this came in a pack. I use this one to pluck, and then I use this one to put my lashes on. And also got this eyebrow spoolie, half spoolie and half brush from Marshall's or TJ Maxx as well. And they have really good deals. Like this was like $2.99 or something, and I bet you at Sephora it'll be like, I don't know, look it up, expensive. That's what it'll be, expensive. All right, so I'm just gonna start plucking now. Alright, so I know a lot of people out there don't like plucking. Sometimes I don't like plucking. Like, you know how you have to be in a certain mood to pluck because the pain levels hit differently depending on what day it is. So now I'm gonna go in with this razor and just speed up the process. Don't really shave off that much because I like to keep my eyebrows thick. I don't really like to do that much to them because I don't want to mess them up, because that can happen really quick. If you do your eyebrows, you know how quickly, or even if you get them done, you know how quickly they can be messed up. And then it takes a certain time for them to grow. So now I'm gonna go in with some tweezers again and just get the little hairs that I didn't get when I shaved. For some reason, the actual like tweezers, they hurt more than this. Like with this, it like I barely feel it, but with these, maybe it's because it's pointy, I have no idea, but I'm just gonna stick to using this for like plucking my wigs or my human hair wigs, plucking like the lace, and I'm gonna just stick to what I've been doing. If you have a routine and it's good, stick to it. Don't try nothing new unless it's better than what you've been doing. So now I'm gonna brush them back into place. Now I'm gonna be going in with the Eyebrow Pro Conceal in the shade Fawn, and I'm just gonna be outlining my eyebrows before I fill them in because it's just easier for me and I don't have to add any extra product. Like I'm outlining my natural brow, so then I can just basically work around that and it's easier and it just kind of defines the line for me. So you see how it just naturally defines it and I don't have to like create a shape, it's already there. So now I'm gonna take a black shadow and I'm just gonna start filling it in. So now I take this Got To Be Ultra Glued Invincible Styling Gel. It's just basically Got To Be gel in the black bottle, but the mini one because I just use it for my brows, and I'm just going to set my brows with it. So now I'm gonna take Eyebrow Pro Conceal in the shade Warm Honey, and it's a much lighter shade, and I love to use it especially before I do a makeup look because it really makes my eyebrows really pop. Then I'll just go in one more time with some more black shadow and just outline to make it just a tad bit more sharp. Okay, so that's pretty much all I do. It's pretty basic, pretty simple. And now that I, you know, pluck some hairs, shave some hairs, it looks so clean. I love how that came out. So I think my eyebrow tutorial was pretty straightforward, pretty basic, nothing really special. And this is the makeup look that I did after that. So this makeup look, if you want to see how I got this look, this makeup look tutorial will be up after this eyebrow tutorial video, so you could check that out if you would like to. And I want to thank you for watching this video. Hopefully you take some tips after I showed you how I do my eyebrows, you know, because I think the way that I do them makes it easier and I do less work. So thank you for watching. I feel like somebody out of Wakanda right now. That's what this bonnet got me looking like. You know, I feel like I'm out of Wakanda or coming to America right now. I'm feeling really, you know, I'm not gonna say nothing about no ancestors and roots and all of that, because that's not the type of stuff that I'm talking about. If you know what I'm talking about, you know. But anyways, God bless you. I pray protection over you and your family and your loved ones, and I want to encourage you to stay close to God. And when I say God, I'm talking about the God of Israel, so we don't get nothing mixed up, because a lot of people serving a lot of different gods. The God that I'm talking about is the God of Israel, who sent his only begotten son Jesus to save us, and he died on the cross for our sins. That's what I'm talking about. So yes, y'all, have a blessed day, have a blessed night whenever you're watching this, whatever time zone you are in, and stay prayed up. Yeah, that's all I got for you tonight. It's currently 5 in the morning my time right now, but it's cool because it's an early Saturday morning. It's the weekend. I don't work on the weekend, so praise God. So yes, until my next video, bye.